Do you ever find yourself wondering about a specific piece of software or a platform you've heard about? And the first question that pops into your head is, do they even have a website? It's a fundamental question in today's digital age, isn't it? In a world where every business, every service, and every individual seems to have an online presence, it's almost assumed. But what if you're looking into something specific, something like Vagaro, and you're trying to wrap your head around its offerings? The question, does Vagaro have a website, becomes more than just a simple query. It becomes the starting point for understanding how this platform functions and how it serves its users. Let's dive into this. Vagaro is a comprehensive cloud-based business management and scheduling software, primarily designed for businesses in the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries. Think salons, spas, gyms, yoga studios, personal trainers, and even barbershops. It's a robust system that aims to streamline operations, from booking appointments to processing payments, managing inventory, and even engaging with clients through marketing tools. But how do these businesses and their clients actually interact with Vagaro? Is it all through an app? Or is there a central web presence that ties everything together? The answer, definitively, is yes. Vagaro absolutely has a website, and not just one, but a multifaceted web presence that caters to both businesses using the platform and customers looking to book services. Understanding these different aspects of Vagaro's web presence is key to appreciating its full functionality. First and foremost, there's the main Vagaro website, which serves as the central hub for the company itself. This is where businesses interested in Vagaro can learn about its features, explore pricing plans, sign up for free trials, and access support resources. It's a beautifully designed, intuitive site that clearly lays out the value proposition of the Vagaro platform. On this site, you'll find detailed breakdowns of all the tools and integrations Vagaro offers. Online booking and scheduling, point-of-sale, POS, systems, client management, marketing automation, email and text marketing, daily deals, inventory tracking, payroll, and even comprehensive business reporting. This primary website acts as the storefront for Vagaro's software solutions, providing all the information a potential business client would need to make an informed decision. But Vagaro's web presence extends far beyond just its own corporate site. For businesses that subscribe to Vagaro, one of the most powerful features available is Vagaro My Site. This isn't just a generic landing page. Vagaro My Site is a customizable website builder specifically designed for businesses using the Vagaro platform. Imagine being a salon owner, and with little to no web development experience, you can create a professional, mobile-responsive website for your business directly through Vagaro. My Site allows businesses to choose from various templates tailored to their industry, customize them with their branding, colors, and content, and most importantly, seamlessly integrate all of Vagaro's booking and payment functionalities. This means that when a customer visits a salon's Vagaro My Site, they can immediately see available appointments, browse services, view staff profiles, and book their desired service directly online. The integration is flawless, eliminating the need for a separate booking system or manual data entry. This is a massive benefit for small and medium-sized businesses in the beauty and wellness sector, many of whom don't have the resources or expertise to build and maintain complex websites from scratch. Vagaro My Site simplifies this process, providing a robust online storefront that looks professional and functions perfectly. Beyond My Site, Vagaro also features a public-facing marketplace. This is where individuals looking for beauty, wellness, or fitness services can browse and discover businesses that use Vagaro in their area. Think of it like a Yelp or Google Maps specifically for salons, spas, and gyms that are part of the Vagaro ecosystem. Customers can search by service, location, and even staff member, view business profiles, read reviews, and, you guessed it, book appointments directly through the marketplace. This gives businesses on Vagaro an additional channel for attracting new clients, extending their reach beyond their own direct marketing efforts. It's a symbiotic relationship. Vagaro provides the tools for businesses to manage their operations, and in turn, those businesses populate the Vagaro marketplace, making it a valuable resource for consumers. Furthermore, Vagaro's integration capabilities extend to other popular platforms. Businesses using Vagaro can embed their booking links directly into their Google Business profile, Facebook page, Instagram profile, and even Yelp listings. This means that even if a business has its own independently built website or relies heavily on social media for its online presence, the core Vagaro booking functionality can still be seamlessly integrated. This multi-channel approach ensures that clients can book appointments from wherever they typically interact with businesses online, making the booking process as convenient and friction-free as possible. So, to reiterate, does Vagaro have a website? Is a resounding yes, but it's more than just a single website. It's an entire ecosystem of web presences designed to facilitate every aspect of business management and customer interaction within the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries. From the central Vagaro platform website that provides information and signups, to the customizable Vagaro My Site for individual businesses, and the public-facing Vagaro Marketplace for customer discovery and booking, Vagaro has built a comprehensive online infrastructure. This robust web presence is crucial for businesses to thrive in today's digital landscape, offering them the tools to not only manage their internal operations efficiently, but also to market themselves effectively, attract new clients, and provide a seamless online booking experience. The benefit of this integrated web presence for businesses is immense. It eliminates the need for multiple, disparate software solutions, bringing everything under one roof. No more trying to sync your booking calendar with your inventory system or manually transferring client data from your website to your marketing platform. Vagaro's interconnected web features mean that all this information flows effortlessly, saving businesses countless hours of administrative work and reducing the potential for errors. This allows business owners and their staff to focus on what they do best, providing excellent services to their clients. For customers, the advantages are equally significant. The ability to easily find, compare, and book services online, whether through a business's dedicated My Site, the Vagaro Marketplace, or even directly from a Google search result, makes their lives simpler. Automated reminders via email and text messages ensure they don't miss appointments, and the ability to manage their booking history within the Vagaro system adds a layer of convenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.